No way. What is it? Is it a giant? Something has it. Look at the teeth. Oh, there's a fish. What is that? Is that a walleye? Let's see what happens. There's a lot of good rock structure along the bank here. A lot of down trees on that side as well. So we're gonna work this entire thing. Anytime I'm fishing in the river, I try to go weedless. I cannot tell you how many crankbaits and jerkbaits I've lost down here. It is unbelievable how many snags I've had. So I tend to throw a lot of soft plastics where I bury the hook into the plastic, so there's no chance of me getting hung up on the bottom. This is actually the very first place I've ever caught a muskie as well. I was just down this other bank here, this other shoreline, throwing an X-Wrap, I think a Rapala jerkbait, and I caught 2 in a row. Nothing crazy, not a huge size muskie, but still a muskie. It was awesome. I got out here a little bit later than I would have hoped. I wanted to have like a nice 7 or 8 hour fishing trip where I just hiked down the bank all the way to PNC Park. But I spent the first half of the day doing yard work. Kicked my butt, man. I'm so tired. So we only have about 3.5 hours to fish. It's unfortunate, but hey, we made it out here. That's all that counts. I love coming down here because there's just so many cool boats. Love it. Forgot my pliers. You need exercise? You come fishing with me, baby. Keeping my rod tip down. Flukes have a tendency to shoot up into the water column, so trying to keep it down deep while I jerk it back. There's got to be fish hanging out on these rocks. Have to be. So I've thrown the fluke for a half hour. I'm going to switch it up now. I got 0 bites on this thing, so I'm going to go more for a bottom bait. Something has it. Something just nibbled on that. Probably a tiny bass. Something had it. Come on, just one fish for today. Come on. Oh, something just grabbed it. Something's playing with it. Oh, dang, man, it must be something so small. It had it. It was actually swimming with it, but I didn't set the hook. Oh man, I need to cut down my tackle. My backpack is so heavy and I've been wearing it all day. Oh, my back. Like an old man now, man. There's something busting on the surface right there. I'm busting out the headlamp because I am gonna put in more time here trying to catch a fish. I do not want to leave without a fish. A lot of these are my dad's. Thanks, Dad. Shout out to my dad. Maybe this natural one. This is a Spro Aruku Shad. Looks so good. I've been using the Palomar knot lately. It used to be my go-to, and then I switched it up. But now I'm going back to it because number one, I'm good at tying it, and number two, I think it's the strongest knot. Oh, those hooks are sharp, sticking into my finger. Oh, there's a fish. Oh my gosh. There we go. What is that? Is that a walleye? Oh my gosh. Wow. Yes. What is this? Oh, treble hooks scare the hell out of me with these fish. Okay. Awesome. Awesome, awesome. The Spro Aruku Shad. He hit it pretty close to the bank. I was getting ready to reel it in quicker. Look at the teeth. All right, let's get him back in. We're running out of light, so let me get back in there. I switched up to this lipless crankbait because of that right there, the sound. It's getting dark and I need these fish to find the lure. So what I was doing is just popping my rod tip and basically jigging this lipless crankbait up off the bottom, jig it up, reel down on my slack, and repeat. There's a tree pounder, baby. I got a tree. It's been an interesting day. I mean, I haven't done well on the fishing aspect, but I love being out here, especially at this spot, because you get to see all the cool boats driving by. And it's been a really nice night. Not a lot of wind, not hot, not cold. It's just perfect. Well, we're not catching any more fish, but those fireworks off in the distance are making me stay, I'll be honest. It is so cool. Well, no bites after that last fish we got, but it's been nice. Nice and peaceful here, and there's fireworks off in the distance. It's really beautiful. A tough day, but really happy I came out.